Well, listen to my first rhyme, please. Sam's lamp. Sam's lamp eats jam, porridge, ham, and cheese with ease. Now, my second nursery rhyme for you. Handy spandy, jack-a-dandy. Handy spandy, jack-a-dandy loves plum cake and sugar candy. He bought some at the grocer's shop, and out he came, hop, hop, hop. Now, listen to the third rhyme. The apple tree. Here is the tree with leaves so green. Here are the apples that hang between. When the wind blows, the apples fall. Here is a basket to gather them all. I think you liked my rhymes. Are they funny? What are they about? Yes, they are about food. Look at the picture. There are some sausages. There are not any biscuits. Are there any carrots? No, there aren't. Is there any cheese? Yes, there is some. You can see a cake. It's Mary's cake. You can see an apple. Whose apple is it? It's Ben's. Look, this is a potato, and these are potatoes too. Look, that is an orange, and those are oranges too. Do you like oranges? Would you like some oranges? Yes, please. So, now you know some more nursery rhymes. Also, you can talk about food.